Hello everyone, my name is Alexandra and welcome to Creative 404. In today's video, we're going to create this beautiful blouse for a Blythe doll. Now this pattern is absolutely free, so you can follow along. You can download the pattern in the description box below. Please, if you do download the pattern, don't forget to give this video a like and add a thank you in the comments down below. I really appreciate your help and support of this channel. Alright, let's get started. Okay, we're going to start off by cutting the pieces. I decided to use this beautiful little flower pattern in regards to spring. You're going to need a back, two fronts, two sleeves, two sleeve cuffs, which one of the sleeves I've already started to gather for the next step, plus a piece of fabric for the collar. Again, you can find the pattern in the description box below. I've gathered the front sleeve, or one of the sleeves, and we're going to attach the collar. Right sides together, you're going to gather and sew along the top. All right, here it is. What I did is I sewed, then top stitch by only turning the cuff around. So it's actually folded in 3 parts, not 4. Off camera, I also did the collar, which I actually lost the footage for. You're going to sew along the outer edge, leaving the inner circle completed. I have also done the pleats for the front shirt. Here it is with the top shoulder seams also attached, so that would be your next step. Sorry if I'm going too fast. Now we're going to attach the sleeves to the sleeve holes, making sure to gather as you go along. Next, you're going to attach the Peter Pan collar to the top. And here it is all together. Next, you're going to do the side seams as well as the front piece that is turned just like so. And sorry for being a little bit off center on camera. There we go, just like this. Okay. Now maybe I got a little ahead of myself. Now we're going to do the side seams. So you do the front middle piece first, then the side seams. Then you're going to do the bottom hem now that you have all the pieces together. There we go. Here's the bottom hem. Mine has a bit of paper stuck to it. That happens. I use paper between my machine, my garment, and actually the bottom portion of the machine where the bobbin thread comes through. I'm actually going to try a different method on sewing. I use the elongated hole on the bottom plate of my sewing machine, and someone in the comments actually told me to use the straight stitch plate, or the plate with the single hole instead of the elongated hole for the bobbin thread. So I'm going to try that. However, I have a machine that's from the 1970s, so finding parts for it is very difficult. If you're just beginning sewing, some of these little sleeves can actually be pretty difficult. So take your time, go slow, and try your best. Remember, this is a fun hobby, not a frustrating one. That should be your mantra, because it's always my mantra after sewing for like 12 years now. Just don't get too manic about it. This is fun, this is fun, this is fun. All right. right, here it is on the doll. I went ahead and added snaps and some of these gumdrop buttons, which I'll talk about later on. I'm really happy with it, and sorry for the headless Blythe. She tends to be headless a lot of times. This is actually with the larger bus, and it still works with the smaller bus. All right, I hope you enjoyed. Okay, that was the tutorial. I hope you were able to follow along easy enough. If you have any issues or if you want to share your work with me, feel free to join us on the Facebook group or Instagram. I really enjoy seeing what people create. Actually, someone on Instagram, before I even thought it, tagged me and I saw her creation and I was so excited. I really I really hope to see more work from you guys, and thank you so much for watching this video. If you got to the end, give me a little daisy or something in the comments. I'd really like to see if you watched the entire video or if you just skipped to getting the pattern and going away. Not many people watch these videos, so I like to see how many people actually leave a little daisy in the comments. I bet you not many people actually do. You can even see for yourself. So thank you so much for watching. I really hope to see you again next time. Bye bye.